I am Mateo Harder today's reporter. Today we will discuss about weather. Today until tomorrow, 19 to 20 April, the whole archipelago will experience mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with warm and humid weather conditions aside from isolated afternoon rain showers or thunderstorms, due to reach of a high-pressure area in eastern lights. By Sunday until to Monday, 21 to 22 April, the eastern section of Mindanao may experience mostly cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms due to a possible through of a low pressure area outside part. However, the rest of the country may still experience mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with warm and humid weather conditions. Aside from isolated afternoon